Ladies and gentlemen, good day. Today we are going to try and solve this question simultaneously. And the question is x, y plus y raised to the power 2 plus x squared equals to 13. In bracket x plus y raised to the power 2 plus in bracket x minus y raised to the power 2 equals to 34. So how do we solve this equation, this system of equations simultaneously? I'm going to take one equation at a time. So I'm going to take first of all equation 1. Equation 1, it is xy plus y squared plus x squared equals to 13. Then I'm going to have y squared plus y squared plus x squared. I can write it as x plus y raised to the power 2 minus 2xy. This equals to 13. Then I'll be having x plus y raised to the power 2. Here I'm having xy minus 2xy. This will be minus xy equal to 13. Ladies and gentlemen, I have worked the first equation up to this up to this point here. So this is still my equation 1. Then I'll take equation 2. Equation 2, I'll try to simplify it, to cook it up to a certain point. Then I'm going to combine the equation 1 and what I'm going to obtain from equation 2. Now equation 2 is x plus y raised to the power 2 plus x minus y raised to the power 2 equal to 34. So I'm going to have x plus y raised to the power 2. I'm going to develop this. It will give me 2. It will give me x squared minus 2xy plus y squared equals to 34. Then I'm going to have x plus y squared plus x squared plus y squared minus 2xy equals to 34. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm having again here x squared plus y squared, and this can be written as x plus y squared. This too can be written as plus x plus y squared minus 2xy, then minus 2xy equal to 34. Then I'm going to have in the bracket x plus y raised to the power of 2 plus in bracket x plus y raised to the power 2. These two terms are common, so I'm going to have 2x plus y raised to the power of 2, then minus 4xy equal to 34. Ladies and gentlemen, this is how far I can simplify the equation 2. So now I'm going to combine equation 2 and equation 1. I'm going to create the system that I started with. So I'm going to have my equation 1, which is here. It is x plus y raised to the power 2 minus xy equals to 13. This is equation 1. I'm going to take now my equation 2, which is right here. So it is 2 factor of x plus y raised to the power 2 minus 4x y. This equals to 34. This is my equation 2. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to let now. I'm going to say let x plus y be equals to z, and I'm going to let x, y be equals to t. So this is the assumption that I'm gonna use. Therefore, I'm gonna have my equation. Equation 1 will be equation 1 here, x plus y raised to the power 2. This will be z to the power 2 minus x, y, that will be t. This equals to 13. And equation 2, which is here, 2 in bracket x plus y raised to the power 2. This will be 2z raised to the power 2 minus 4xy. This will be minus 40 and equals to 34. Look at this, ladies and gentlemen, how we have managed to simplify this equation. Now this is our equation 1 and this is our equation 2. So what am I going to do? I'm going to take equation 1 right here, z to the power 2 minus t equals to 13. I'm going to multiply it by minus 2. So I'm going to multiply the equation here, this equation 1, by minus 2. In which case I'm going to have this minus 2 times z squared. It will be minus 2z squared. Minus 2 times t, it is positive 2t. Minus 2 times 13, it is minus 26. This is my equation 1. And my equation 2 is 2z squared minus 4t equals to 34. That's equation 2. Ladies and gentlemen, I can add member to member, the two equations. So I will end up cancelling this, and I'll be having 2t minus 40. It is minus 2t. This equals minus 26 plus 34. This is 8. Therefore, t will be equals to minus 8 all over 2. Then our t will be equals to minus 4. Ladies and gentlemen, I have found the value of t. Ladies and gentlemen, having found the value of t, which is minus 4, then I'm going to come and replace t in the equation 1 in order to find the value of z. So I'm having a z raised to the power 2 minus t. This equals to 13. Then I'm going to replace a t in this equation here. So I'm going to have z raised to the power 2 minus 4 equals to 13. Then I'm going to have z raised to the power of 2 plus 4 equals to 13. Z raised to the power 2, which will be 13 minus 4. Then z raised to the power 2, this will be equal to 9. Z will be plus minus 3. Ladies and gentlemen, here I have found the value of z. Now we are going to go back to our equation where we've let the value of z. We have let this, we have said x. We have said x plus y. We've let this to be equal to z. And we have let x, y to be equals to t. This is what we let. Now replacing t by its value, therefore we are going to have this. We're having x, y will be equals to minus 4, the value of t. Then y will be equals to minus 4 all over x. Then, ladies and gentlemen, I can replace the value of z in the equation. So we have said here x plus y equals z. Now we have two values of z, plus 3 and minus 3. So I'm going to take, first of all, the value of 3. So I'm going to have x plus y equals to 3. Then I'm going to replace y by its value, which is minus 4 all over x. So we're having here x minus 4 all over x equals to 3. And I will multiply both sides of the equation by x. Therefore, I'm going to have x squared minus 4 equals to 3x. Then x squared minus 3x minus 4, this will be equal to 0. Ladies and gentlemen, I have here a quadratic equation, and then I can solve this quadratic equation here easily. In this quadratic equation, our product is minus 4, then our sum is minus 3. So minus 4 can be obtained by taking minus 4 times 1, whereas negative 3 can be obtained as minus 4 plus 1. So this gives us the idea of the roots of this quadratic equation here. So we're going to have x minus 4 factor of x plus 1, this equals 0. So ladies and gentlemen, we can find the two roots. X minus 4 will be equal to 0, and x will be equal to 4. This is the first root of the equation. And the second root, it is x plus 1 equals 0, and then x will be equal to minus 1. Ladies and gentlemen, these are the values of x. We are going to use this part to continue solving. For this time around, we are going to take x. This time around, we are going to take x plus y equal to minus 3. Replacing y by its value, which is minus 4 over x, we are going to have here x minus 4 all over x equals to minus 3. Multiplying both sides of the equation by x, I have x squared minus 4 equal to minus 3x. Bringing minus 3x into the first leg of the equation, I'm going to have x squared plus 3x minus 4 equals 0. Ladies and gentlemen, I have again here a quadratic equation. In this equation here, our product is again minus 4. And our sum this time around here is positive 3, the coefficient of x. So minus 4 can be obtained as 4 times minus 1. And 3 can be obtained as 4 minus 1. Therefore, we'll be having x plus 4 factor of x minus 1. This equals to 0. So I'm going to have x plus 4 equals 0, and then x will be minus 4. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the third root of the equation. Then we're going to take the second bracket, x minus 1 equals 0, then x will be equals to 1. Ladies and gentlemen, look at this. We have found 4 roots, 4 values of x. I can call this one x1, this one x2, this one x3, and then x4. Now we need to find now the values of y. So we are going to take take the equation y equals minus 4 all over x. Then we are going to replace all the 4 values of x. x1 equals 4, x2 equals minus 1, x3 minus 4, and x4 positive 1. We are going to replace here in order to find 4 roots, 4 values of y. Now let's do that. So I'm going to have y1 will be equals to minus 4 all over x. I replace the value of x1, which is 4. So minus 4 all over 4. And this gives us the value of y1 is equals to minus 1. Then y2 will be equal to minus 4. I replace now the value of x2, which is minus 1. Then y2 will be equals to positive 4. Do the same here. y3 equals to minus 4 all over. I replace the value of x3, which is minus 4. Then y3 will be equals to positive 1. Lastly, y4 will be equal to minus 4. I'll replace here the value of x4, which is 1. Then y4 will be equal to minus 4. Ladies and gentlemen, we have found all the 4 roots of both the variable x and the variable y. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for watching this video.